Hello, welcome back to Clear, a workshop series for the nervous system. So by now we've practiced a lot of different techniques for dealing with stress in the moment, and also just as a routine, doing some energetic hygiene so that we feel better all the time and stuff doesn't build up. So today we're going to add to our toolkit, our toolbox of techniques with a bunch more somatic tools that I've picked up over the years. Somatic means of the body. So it just means we're going to be using techniques and tools of the body to solve problems in our body rather than having to talk through what happened or constantly go over the details. Instead, we're just going to let the body work it out. I just want to be clear that although I have a lot of training and a lot of expertise, I'm not a somatic therapist. I'm not a doctor. So take everything I say here with a grain of salt. These are just techniques I've learned from a lot of different places, some that I've kind of intuitively come up with in my own personal practice. And I'm sharing them with you as a way to help. But if you want to learn more or you feel like you need more guidance, look into somatic therapy. Also, let me know if I can turn you on to any resources or professionals. So these movements can go in any order at all, but for the sake of our nervous system, I've put them in an order that supports that natural flow, the natural cycle of the nervous system, where there's a response and then there's a discharge. So we're going to start in a more parasympathetic place, a more calm place, then gently guide up to the sympathetic place, a little bit of stress, and then gently guide back down, allowing the system to discharge. Allowing a rise in the sympathetic nervous system and then gently guiding back down to the parasympathetic system reminds or reteaches the nervous system how to do that. So we're building a more positive relationship with our nervous system where it can trust us and we can trust it. For all these exercises, you want to find your own rhythm. You can go much slower or much faster than me. Find a rhythm with your movement as well as your breath. Find some relationship between them. It doesn't have to be any certain way. Just connect them. The idea is to kind of exhaust yourself. Like the harder you can go, the more energetic hygiene is possible, but never at the expense of your own well-being. And also, please experiment with using sound breathing or any vocalizing. Honeybee breath is really good for all these exercises. Any sound that comes out of your mouth is most welcome and most effective. So I do encourage you to push yourself, find a rhythm, go a little out of your comfort zone, but as always, listen to your body and do whatever is right for you. Okay, so no matter what, we're always going to start by connecting with the breath. So find a comfortable place. You can be standing or seated. Find a long spine. So roll your shoulders back, whether you're seated or standing. If you are standing, make sure your feet are planted flat on the ground. And if you're seated, make sure you have a good sense of connection with the ground and your butt. Place your hands somewhere on your body. Breathe slowly and deeply to let your body know that it's safe. Coming into that parasympathetic place, signaling the body it's time to rest, or that you're coming into a resting time. Continue to breathe slowly and deeply, setting the scene for this practice. Close your eyes if that's comfortable for you, or keep a soft gaze on the screen. I'll be using my voice to guide you through these activities, And there'll also be like a little video to show you long, slow, deep breathing as deeply into the body as you can. And when you're ready, add some gentle movement to your breath. Here are some suggested movements. We will practice each movement for about 1 minute. Standing swings. Stand with your feet wide. Keep your knees soft and twist side to side. Find a rhythm with your breath. Go at your own pace. Let your arms be really loose and kind of flop around like noodles. Find a rhythm. Heel drops. Keep your upper body loose and relaxed. Stand up on your tiptoes and then drop your heels down. Over and over. Check in that your jaw is nice and relaxed. Don't be afraid to do it kind of hard. Let your heels really hit the ground. Boom. Boom. This is an incredibly grounding exercise. Finding your feet here. Full body bounce. Keep your upper body loose and relaxed. Gently bend and straighten your knees, bouncing your whole body. The looser you can be, the better this will feel. Experiment with adding sound breathing. Let some sound come out as you bounce. Do whatever you can to make this feel really good. Spinal flex. You can be on your hands and knees, or you can even be in a chair. Inhale as your chest comes forward. Exhale as your chest goes back, like cat-cow. I'm going pretty fast here, but move and breathe at your own pace. The most important thing is the breath, so make sure you bring a deep, rhythmic breath here. Marching and stomping. Pretty self-explanatory. Find a good rhythm. Stay in one place or move around in your space. As always, find a rhythm with your breathing as well. Stomp nice and hard if that feels okay to you. Stomp all that stuff out of your body. Move in any way that feels good. These are all just suggestions. Let sound come out of your mouth. Let any movement come out of your body. Allow yourself to express. Bang your fists. Bang on the floor, on the walls. Bang on pillows, furniture, whatever is safe to beat up. Bang harder. Beat the crap out of it. Push yourself past your comfort level. Bang harder and faster as long as you can keep breathing. This is a good time to scream and cry. Anything that comes out of your body, just let it come out. Here's another one in your fist that's very intense, very clearing. Lay on the floor, your back flat. You can also have your legs straight up to add even more intensity. Make sure your back and head are supported, and just bang the crap out of the floor on either side of you, either with like open hands or with fists. The idea is to kind of exhaust yourself, push through that threshold. Let sound come out of your mouth. Bang harder. Keep breathing. Trust your body. There's deep intelligence and wisdom in your body. Go wild at this point. Move in whatever way your body wants. The more speed and intensity means more release, more hygiene. Move as much as you can. Don't be afraid of looking silly because no one can see you. Keep moving, you got this. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Almost there. Soon we'll rest. Get that last bit out. Squeeze it out. Jump it out. Dance it out. Yell it out. Cry it out, baby. Now you can keep moving, but maybe slow it down. If you find yourself having emotions rise, that's the whole point of this. Let your emotions flow. We're clearing it out. We're clearing it out. Let it flow. Here's some more suggested movements to begin to guide your body back to the parasympathetic rest and digest part of the nervous system. Body rocks. You can be standing or sitting, kneeling. Rock your body. Hold yourself here. Be with your body. There's no wrong way to do this. Your inner child needs to be soothed. Deserves to be soothed. Hold your inner child. Do self-touch on the lower body. So extend your legs in front of you. They can be straight or bent. Start by gently rubbing your legs up and down with an open palm. Find a rhythm, breathe, keep it rhythmic. Engage through the core to protect your back, especially if you're going pretty far. And if it feels good, make your hands into fists and gently bang up and down your legs, the inside and the outside, all the way up into the kidneys and the sides of your low back. Keep it moving and flowing. Now we'll do self-touch on the upper body. Tap all around on your face. Nice gentle taps around the sinuses. Stimulating the lymph system, bringing more sensation into the body. Come down to your chest. Tap around the chest, stimulating feel-good chemicals coming out of our glands. Soothing. And if it feels good to you, make fists and bang on your chest. Keep breathing. Make sounds. Allow it to flow. Bang down the arms. Por fin, finally, we're ready to lay down and rest. So get as comfortable as you can. Grab a blankie and a pillow. We'll be resting for a few minutes here. No need to compromise on comfort. One way to offer your nervous system even deeper rest is to put your legs up the wall or up on a couch or something, reversing the flow of blood. Super nourishing. That's just another option for this rest time. Whatever position you've chosen, eventually find complete stillness. If your mind wanders, focus on breathing deeply and slowly. It is absolutely imperative that you take time here to be still, or at least to go on a little walk or take some more gentle movement, rather than going back to whatever task or work you may have going on. It is imperative that you allow time here for the body to discharge. That's what this program is all about. This energetic hygiene, this emotional hygiene. We're stirring it up, and then you gotta leave time to discharge and get it out. So that you can feel clear and settled. So please allow your emotions and your body to flow. This is the medicine. This is what you're here for. Whatever your body is doing now is exactly what it needs to do. Don't sell yourself short. Stay with it. Your body contains so much wisdom, more than any book could ever have. Let your body heal you. When you are ready, gently invite movement back into your body. Remind yourself of where you are. Tune into the sounds and smells and other sensations in the space around you. When this video is done, please take a few more minutes for your body to integrate these exercises. Jot down any reflections you may have. Maybe note which exercises really worked for you so that you can come back to them. Consider coming back to this video again this week and having it on mute and turning on your own music. Something you really love, something that gets you going. The intention of this video is just to add more tools to your somatic toolkit. Tools that you can whip out in the moment that you need them and help yourself feel better, and also that you can work into your routine to just kind of keep yourself feeling better all the time. Just like we brush our teeth every day, we also need to do some energetic hygiene, emotional hygiene, maybe every day. It doesn't take a whole lot of time to take some deep breaths, and you deserve to feel safe in your body.